In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record Slack huddles. We'll use Slack in your browser and capture the huddle by recording your screen with Slack's built-in video clip tool. This approach keeps everything inside Slack, makes sharing easy, and doesn't require extra apps. Start by heading to app.slack.com in your browser and open your workspace. Once you're in, choose the channel or direct message where you want to host the huddle. You'll find your channels along the left side. Click the one you plan to use so its message box is visible. At the top right of that channel, click Start Huddle. Slack opens a small huddle panel where you can talk or turn on video. Go ahead and click into the huddle so you're actually in it and can see the controls. If you want your voice in the recording, make sure your microphone is working and that you're in a quiet environment. Instead of trying to record from inside the huddle, use the channel's message box. There, click Record Video Clip. This opens Slack's clip recorder, which lets you capture your mic, camera, and your screen. In the clip recorder, click Share Screen. A system prompt will appear asking what to share. Switch to the Chrome tab option, then select the tab that's running your Slack huddle. Choosing the specific tab keeps the recording focused and can also capture the tab's audio when available. If you see an option to include tab audio, make sure it's enabled so participants' voices in the huddle are recorded clearly. When you've selected the huddle tab, click Share to confirm. Back in the clip recorder, click Record to begin. From this point on, the recorder captures your huddle as it plays in the shared tab along with your microphone. Speak naturally, and if you're presenting, use the huddle's own screen sharing as usual. The clip will pick up whatever the huddle tab is showing. A quick tip to prevent echo: wear headphones so your mic doesn't recapture the huddle's audio from your speakers. As you record, keep an eye on levels and make sure the huddle remains in the foreground of the shared tab. If someone joins late, the recording will include them as soon as they appear in the huddle since you're recording the tab itself. When you're finished, stop the recording in the clip tool. Slack processes the clip and posts it right in the channel where teammates can play it back, add comments, or download it if needed. And that's it. By starting a huddle, sharing the huddle tab, and recording a video clip, you've captured your Slack huddle cleanly and kept everything in one place.